one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There's a kind of freedom that doesn't come from having no boundaries, but it comes from being brought into the right place, a place where your soul can breathe, where your heart can be settled, where you can feel secure, knowing that you are protected, knowing that you're safe. And the Lord says, I'm bringing you into green pastures. I'm bringing you into a place with healthy boundaries, with healthy protection, so that you will know that I am the Lord who takes care of you, the Lord who is leading you forward in peace. Trust in me and in my ability to clothe you in my righteousness, in my ability to bring you into the right setting, into the right place. For I am the one who is securing the destiny which is yours. I am the one who is leading you into a new understanding of my provision, a new understanding of my rest. I'm bringing you into a place where you will flourish, a place where you will rejoice. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.